Go.
Nikki, this is a Lego, and this came with a pack, and it came with a red sculpt and green guy. So I got his shield, motorcycle, and a thing for his shield going on. A little snap. You snap it on, take his head off, push it on, and put the light on, and this takes off, this wheel takes off, they push it, it's going to take for a little bit. And this back came with 2 wheels, because on this motorcycle, it push it, snaps on, the other one do that too. Push it, snap it on, you do this,